Alright, let's look at the homework 4.1, problem number 4. Alright, so we want to find the interval on which the function f of x is increasing and on which function is decreasing. Alright, so and locate local extrema. Alright, so let's do that. Alright, so in order to do that, we have to find the derivative first. So let's take the derivative. So f prime of x is equal to, alright, so there are two things multiplied together, so it seems like we need to use the product rule here. Alright, so take the derivative of the first guy, that will be 1, times the second guy, so e to the negative 8x, and plus the first guy, so it's a quantity, x minus 6, times the derivative of the second guy, so it's exponential function, so I've just copied the same thing, but you need to multiply by derivative of the power, so it's going to be negative 8. Alright, so we just need to clean it up a little bit. So we're going to get, let's see, so first thing that would be what's in common. We know that there's e to the negative 8x here and e to the negative 8x there. So let's pull that out. So e to, maybe I'll put it in front, e to the negative 8x. Alright, then you have 1 left over from the first term. So here you're going to have negative 8x and plus 48. Alright, so we're going to get, let's see, so e to the negative 8x. Alright, so it's a 48 plus 1, so it's a 49 minus 8x. Right? Set this guy equal to 0 to find the critical number. So we can get the critical number would be, alright, so this guy we cannot set that equal to 0, so what we can do is we can set this guy equal to 0. Right? Maybe I'll erase that. I need a little bit more room here. Alright, so if you solve that, so it's a 47 minus 8x equal to 0. So we can add 8x to both sides. So you have a 49 is equal to 8x. Right? Then you can just divide through by 8. So you have 49 over 8 is going to be the critical number. So maybe I'll just indicate that this is just a critical number. Alright. Then what happens is we just need to figure out that if it's increasing or decreasing on the interval. So you have the real number line. Alright. Then indicate the critical number. So I'll just put a tick mark there. So critical number is 49 over 8. Then we're interested in just a sign of f prime. Right? And as you can see that if you plug in something bigger than 49 over 8, so you put a really big number, so that turns out to be a negative quantity, right? Then exponential function is always positive there, so it's going to be a negative here. So if you do here is negative, right? Then we have that. Then if you put something smaller than that, like 1 or something, 49 minus 8 would be positive. So you're going to have a positive here, right? So which means that a function, original function is, alright, looking at the first derivative positive means that this guy is increasing. And after that, it's decreasing, right? So by first derivative test, increasing turning into decreasing, so which means that you're going to have a local maximum there, right? So let's type it in. Alright, function is increasing on, alright, so it's a before 49 over 8, was it? Right? And so it's going to be negative infinity to 49. So it's increasing up to that point. So let's check the answer. Alright, so we got that. Alright, you can put the square bracket, that will be okay too. Let's see, unless they are looking for unless they are looking for open interval. Right, so function is decreasing on after that, so it's going to be 49 over 8 to infinity. Right, let's check that. Alright, so that's that. And select the correct one. Let's say we're gonna have a local maximum and no local minimum. So local maximum would be, let's see, c is equal to, well, we have to find the value there. Alright, so let's find the value there. Alright, so we know that this is gonna give you a local maximum, so we just have to find f of 49 over 8. Alright, so this is going to be, alright, so x is 49 over 8 minus 6 is same thing as 48 over 8. Right, so I just rewrote 6 as 48 over 8, and e to the negative 8 times 49 over 8. Right, so we can cancel 8 on top and 8 on the bottom. Then you get this is going to be 1 over 8 e to the negative 49. Right, so let's type that in. Alright, this is local maximum, so it's going to be let's see, what was it? Alright, e to the, so this right here, right? So fraction, so e to the negative 49 over 8, right? And that's that. Check the answer. Ooh, let's see. Maybe let's see. Say type in an integer or a decimal round to 4 decimal places. Oops, I didn't do that. So let's do that. Alright, so we need to find, let's see, e to the, so I'm gonna say exp 49 divide by 8, so hit enter, and we have to change it to 4 decimal places. Alright, oops, let's see, oh, did I do that? Let's see, go here, around 4 decimal places. Alright, looks like it's too small. Let's see, it's 4 decimal places, so it's a 0.000. I don't know if this, oh actually, no, here, that's going to be very small, 0. Let's put 0 and see if they like it. Check the answer. I guess that was it. Alright, that's it. I hope that this was clear.